this one. Create a table called trades, which has trade ID, account ID, asset ID, strategy ID, trade type, entry price, exit price, lot size, profit and loss, trade date. Okay, let me create that real quick. Okay, create table, asset ID, gonna put int, also strategy ID, I'm gonna put int, another one is trade type, I'm gonna put varchar, another one is entry price, I'm gonna put decimal, another one is then exit price, exit underscore price, I'm gonna put decimal, another one is lot size, I'm gonna put decimal, another one is profit loss, I'm gonna put decimal as well, another one is trade date, I'm gonna put date. Okay, let me execute. Let me describe my table. Describe. As you can see, this is the table that we have created, but something is wrong. We have not put foreign key, so let me add each foreign key. Let me start with account ID, alter table trades, add constraint account foreign key, foreign key what? Foreign key is account ID. References, which table has account ID? References, which table has account ID? References accounts. References accounts. Accounts with account ID. And execute. Let me describe. So as you can see, we have already added. So let me do that real quick. Add constraint. Another one is asset ID. So I'm going to put here asset ID, foreign key assets, asset ID. References. We have table called assets. Yes, we have table called asset with asset ID. So references assets. Let me put assets. Assets ID. Asset ID. Asset ID. Let me execute real quick. Let me describe my table. I'm using up and down arrow keys to do this. So you can see I've put this multiple, this foreign key. Another one is strategy, which is the last one. So I'm gonna write real quick. Add what? Strategy. Foreign key, strategy, references, strategies. I feel like we have table called strategies. Oh my goodness. Strategies, okay. Strategies. Okay, and here I'm going to put strategy. Okay, strategy. Okay, let me execute real quick and let me describe. As you can see, we've already put what we were instructed to do. We have already put what we have instructed to do. So another one is this one. Let me finish really quick, bro. Another table is trade reviews. So create table trade review. Okay, trade review. We have primary key called review ID, review ID, int primary key auto increment. Okay, we have another one, trade ID, unique. It should be unique. Okay, which I'm going to give ID int unique. Okay, also I'm going to add constraint later. Unique. Also I'm going to add nodes. I'm going to give varchar. Oh, let me give text. Okay, and rating. I'm going to give decimal, and we are instructed rating to range between these values. So I'm going to put check. I'm going to put my bracket real quick. Rating is less or equal to 1. Greater or equal to 1. Greater or equal to 1. And racing is less or equal to 10. So, oh my goodness. So let me execute real quick. Let me execute real quick. Let me describe trade review. You can see this is what we have created. So, but we have been instructed to put this as foreign key. So let me just create that real quick. Alter table, the table trade review, add constraint unique foreign key, foreign key is called trade ID, references, trades, trades, trade ID. I'm going to execute. Something went wrong. At the table trade review, add constraint trade. Okay, let me put foreign key trade ID. I'm going to put this in bracket. This one I'm going to put in bracket real quick. Okay, let me describe this table. As you can see, we have already pulled that shape. Another table is tag. Create table tags without tag ID and primary key auto increment and we have tag name which I'm going to give Baka. Going to put 255. Fill me 255. Going to execute. Going to do so you can see. The last one is trade tags, which is telling us to use composite key for primary key. Composite primary key is the key that combine two or more keys to give unique foreign key, to give unique primary key. So let me get started, bro. Primary key should be composite, which means trade ID and tag ID. Not to execute. Let me describe. Okay, Let me put the relationship real quick. Alter table. Let me describe. Okay. Okay, another one is tag ID. Let me execute. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, let me describe, comment, and share the video. And we are finished.